If you want to sync iPhone with multiple computers without iTunes, you will need a third-party software to help you. Coolmuster iOS Assistant is such a software that can safely export all the data on your iOS device such as iPhone or iPad to any PC or Mac computer for file storage or data management. The software can help you easily transfer photos, music, movies, contacts, messages, memos, and other data from iPhone, iPad to any computer. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your computer. Start it, and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. The program will automatically recognize your device and show all your iPhone data organized by type in a list on the left side of the screen. Step 2. Click on a data type from the list, such as photos, messages, or contacts. You'll be able to preview everything before transferring. Just check the boxes next to the files you want to move. If you want to transfer everything, you can select all with one click. Step 3. Press the Export button to begin saving your chosen files to the computer. A prompt will appear asking where you'd like to save the data. Pick a location on your hard drive, and the program will handle the rest to finish the transfer. Repeat these steps with any other computer you wish to save this mobile device's data onto, and be sure to label these backups accordingly.